Anything that's uncertain, I will always wear this jumper. New GP appointment, going to an interview, like beforehand, I'll have the jumper on. It's ridiculous, but it's one of those ones.
But you chose something so special to cut up. What was that like?
It was good, actually. Oddly enough, it's that sense of transformation. The Peace Paper Project has a lot to offer. It has a lot to offer, especially working around with anybody that's wanting to promote their own recovery, be it through a terminal illness or be it through mental health. I think even if it was part of just a community project, it will still work perfectly. It brings people together, it aids in individuals' recovery, and also gives them that ability to step back from everything that's happening around them. Remember the good times, or remember the intimate times in their life, and then be able to create that. And so when they can go home, they can be like, oh my God, I've actually got something that matters to me. It kind of brings that uplifting feeling, and I think that's very important. Like, no one has to ever see it, but it will be mine. Whether it's studying, meetings, just idea potentials. So I think that's what spurs me a lot through the entire process, was that this will be a part to move me forward to something that's better in the future. And I think, like, it's an ultimate safeguard, to be honest. If you don't have art, if you don't have a way to express yourself, what more are you?
So for all those people that were told they're not creative, we're holding them back in a way as a society.
100%. I mean, art is incredibly personal, and I think we have to remember that that's exactly what it is. It's your personal expression, being able to express your feelings at that time through the paper. And I guess that's another point. It's not just, creating something new, it's also reflecting on where you're coming from, what you are doing now, how you're feeling in this moment, looking back at what your jumper used to be, and just linking that in together. I think we have to remember that that's exactly what it is. It's your personal expression. I mean, every single one of us has a personal story, even down to the clothes we wear. At the moment we tell somebody else that they're not good enough, why would they bother trying? And it comes down to a lot of, I think, issues that are within society, to be honest. Being told that you are not good enough, or being associated to something that is bad. Having a mental illness is bad. Being disabled is bad. Being female, being black, minority or ethnic, being LGBT. I think that's not our society we should live in, and that's not where we should lead. Otherwise, we're going to have a society that collapses very quickly, because there's no community wealth in that project whatsoever.
And you're only 22 years old.
Well, I hope I can do something productive